Everybody probably remembers the boat when we were out on the lake. Now I've decided to recarpet the boat. It's becoming quite the ordeal. Here's the kiddos. Trying to walk around without falling in the middle there. You can step in the middle too, Olivia. Right there. Don't walk around too much because I don't want you to fall. Here's the boat with no carpet or nothing else. It's kind of sad. Hopefully we can get it put back together. What do you guys think?
I like it.
Would you rather it be like this or all put back together?
All put back together.
Do you think it'll be put back together in time for summer?
Yes.
There's a lot of the carpet here. Carpet. It'll be pretty nice once we're all done. There's the other carpet. There's some tools. Lots of tools, lots of stuff around the outside, on the side of it. There's the kiddos in their camo. What do you think, Devin?
Good. Really good.
You guys just like playing in here, huh?
Yeah.
That's what the boat looks like there.
Even though I want to fall down in there. Not again.
Lots of work to do still. Can't see very good that way.
I'm staying on the metal. Not the metal. Wood, metal. I'm not going on the metal. Daddy, can I come out here?
Just wait there. You guys just stand there for a minute while I finish. There's the steering wheel and stuff. All the wires and cables. I got the dashboard all apart. I'm going to try taking it in and getting it redone. There's the other boats. Okay. Say goodbye. Let me get up here by you guys so I can see ya. Say goodbye.
Goodbye. I'm going to still stay up here.